So we have today for you a 2019 Topps Chrome update series. This actually slipped past me. I didn't realize that it had even been released, and then I saw it and like, oh, must have. The holiday box is out too. I have one of those on the way, and we'll have that for you guys soon. Look for one. Oh man, I'd love to pull a 1/1 Superfractor of like Vlad Jr. That would be crazy good. Let's look at the odds over here on this. There's no guarantee hit in this. If I remember correctly, there is a guaranteed hit, I think, in the Topps Holiday. I think. I'm not sure I can get into this. Hang on. Wait for it. There we go. Alright, what are we looking at? Wow, just refractor. It's 1 in 74. X-Fractor 1 in 93. Purple 1 in 105. Blue 1 in 123. Green 1 in 186. The gold is 1 in 367. Yikes. That red, that's always a tough pull, over 3,000. And the Superfractor 1 in 18,777 packs. So that is a bit of a tough pull. What do we have here? 28 cards total, it says. And that is distributed amongst 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 packs. Come back here with me. Okay, let's do this. So, hoping for a couple of good rookies. Obviously, I'd love to pull an autograph, but that's pretty tough to do. Ordozzi, Mercado rookie. Matthew Beatty rookie. The Family Business, King Griffey Jr. That's nice. Lane Thomas rookie. Jonathan Schoop. Yasiel Puig. Oh, he looks funny in a red uniform. That seems different. And Mitch Keller rookie card. Kershaw. Lindor. There. Oh, my. There is. Not only did I pull an autograph, it's an orange, which I think it's going to be to 25. Well, that's nice. J.D. Hammer. Cute. And greatest players, Frank Thomas. I like that too. That looks really good. Wow. So far, so good. Really nice box. Contreras. Austin Riley rookie. Jimenez. With his rookie debut date on there. And Giolito. Charlie Blackmon. Zach Britton. Hunter Pence. I wonder if that's a variation of some sort or just a base card. I'll have to check the little numbers. Family Business again. Robinson Cano. Brian Reynolds rookie. Kevin Biggio rookie. Nice. There it is. Vlad Jr. rookie. Oh, and I just threw it down. And Freddie Freeman. Luckily, Chrome's sturdy, so when I'm Butterfingers, it helps. See some Mike Trout on the back. Michael Brantley. Trevor Story. Michael Chavis, rookie. And Mike Trout, greatest players. That was absolutely a very, very solid box of Chrome update. Several good rookies. And an auto. Oh, yeah, some good looking inserts. And an autograph to 25. Kind of tough to beat that for the price of just a regular blaster box. So, alright, that's it. Topps Chrome, like I said, I do have Holiday on the way. I'll have that for you guys in a few days. And that's all, folks.